Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about SiteGuru, a tool that can help you to check your website and fix SEO issues easily. If you have a website, a blog or an online business, you know how important SEO is to get more visitors and grow your audience. In this video, I will explain how SiteGuru works, why it is useful, and also how you can get it through AppSumo with a lifetime deal. So stay with me until end the video. So first, what is SiteGuru? Simply, it is a website audit and SEO tool. It checks your website for problems like broken link, slow pages, missing tags or content issues. Then it gives you clear, actionable advice on how to fix these issues. You don't need to be an SEO expert to use it because the tool tells you exactly what to do step by step. And in this time, SiteGuru has become better. The dashboard is updated, the reporting is faster, and then the AI help to prioritize what need to be fixed fast. For example, it can tell you which pages are most important for SEO and which fixes will give you the biggest improvement. This is very helpful because before, SEO audits were confusing and time consuming. Another important feature is the strong automation. You can set SiteGuru to monitor your website regularly. It will alert you if any problems appear like broken links. Another important feature is the automation. You can set SiteGuru to monitor your website regularly. It will alert if any problem appear like broken link, slow down pages. So this saves a lot of time because you don't have to check everything manually. Even beginners can use it easily because the interface is clean and simple to understand. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are very clear, easy to use, SEO audit, actionable advice and the automation and the priority fixes. The con side is that it may not go as deep as advanced enterprise SEO tools, but for most websites and small websites, it is more than enough. Now let's talk about the pricing. On the official website, SiteGuru has subscription plan. Paying monthly or yearly can get expensive over the time, but here is the good news. Through AppSumo, you can get a lifetime deal. That means you pay once and you can use it forever. So no monthly fees. So if you want to improve your website SEO regularly and save money, the AppSumo deal is a smart choice. So SiteGuru nowadays is a great tool for website owners, marketers and content creators who want actionable SEO fixes quickly. And using the AppSumo lifetime deal gives you lifetime access at a much lower price than subscribing monthly. So check the description below this video. The link is given in the description, and just grab the lifetime deal before it ends. The tool can really help your website rank better and get more visitors. So that's all for today's video about SiteGuru. I hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.